What it's like to live with an INFP. I am an INFJ, and I've grown up with two INFPs, mother, sister, and live with my boyfriend who's also an INFP. There's a little stuff flying everywhere. I clean the house every night. INFPs only clean when they drown in their collective stuff, but they are not very passionate about the cleaning and do the whole house at once. They are weird with dirt. Something supernatural like sneezing in a paper towel or sharing the toilet with someone can gross the shit out of them, but they would change their bed sheets only once every 6 weeks, which I found actually disgusting. They're possessive of their things. I like to share my stuff and let them try everything I have from beauty products till food, but don't you ever ask to try anything from them in return. You will get the Cold War is on look. They're often in their rooms with the door closed and don't like to be disrupted. I always have my door open, although I was doing stuff alone, and I like when someone popped by for a cup of tea. Be prepared to have a ton of things in your house. INFPs are collectors. I live as minimally as possible. They hold on to every little thing that's whatever gifted to them. It's a nightmare to be quite honest. They enjoy your company more than they will admit, but they usually don't approach you. Very sweet and loving a lot of good talks, caring questions, kisses, and cuddles. Full of love. I think INFPs show their love by always being there for you and thinking about you, and not so much by big romantic gestures, small gifts, or love poems, which I'm all about. Fun! I think INFJs and INFPs match very well in living together. The INFJ can be goofy around them, which will make the INFP laugh and the INFJ happy. My INFPs are always my biggest audience. Creative with random bursts of ideas of different ways to tackle a problem or situation. Always changing when they are working on or a personal project. They procrastinate doing basically everything I found is hardest to get. Something in the house or themselves can really bother them, but they never act to change it unless there is enough external force for them to do so. And then, after they finally did it, it feels like such a relief to them and they will be so happy. It's really funny and cute. They're on your team, super loyal, always wanting to help and always willing to come with you or do things together. They do what they want and let you do what you want. They never ever critique you. I do with them. It can be lonely. I like to be alone, but I can imagine that extroverted types may want to connect more often and could feel lonely living with INFP.